Hello everyone, now we are going to solve the questions based on the gyroscopic couple. The plane of spin, precision and the applied gyroscopic couple are in the same one plane, in two planes perpendicular to one another, in three planes perpendicular to one another and another one. See, this is the basic questions, introductions. In the introductions part we have seen that there are basically three axes: x, y and z. Okay, this is x, this is y and this is z. So that means there will be a three planes. Okay, yz plane, okay, xy plane and xy plane and xz plane, and you can see all are perpendicular to each other. This is xz, this is yz and this is xy plane. So option C is the correct answer, that the plane of its precision and the applied gyroscopic couple are in three planes perpendicular to one another, because there are only three planes are there, and this is the C, the plane of spin and the plane of precision and the applied gyroscopic couples are, the planes of them are perpendicular to one another. Okay, so when we have completed the gyroscopic couple topic, in which we have seen that the axis of the spin, plane of the spin, axis of precision, plane of precision, axis of gyroscopic couple, plane of gyroscopic couple, all we have considered in that topic. So you can refer and then you will be able to understand the answer of that question. Okay, in the gyroscopic couple I have all the things are mentioned. Okay, so thank you.